Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting now. Save any unsaved work and close heavy programs so troubleshooting won't lose data. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager and scan for processes hogging CPU, GPU, or memory. Once you spot a culprit, right-click and choose End Task for that app. This often restores Alt plus Tab responsiveness immediately. If Explorer itself is frozen, restart Windows Explorer from the Processes tab. It reloads the shell without a full reboot and frequently fixes Alt plus Tab freezes. Once Explorer restarts, focus on drivers and overlays that often cause conflicts. Open Device Manager and update your display adapter driver or roll back if a recent update triggered the problem. Also disable overlays, Discord, NVIDIA/AMD overlays, or any screen recorder, because they hook into Alt plus Tab behavior. If freezes persist, run system repairs. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism restore health. These commands fix corrupted system files that can break window switching and restore normal Alt plus Tab operation. Finish by isolating background conflicts with a clean boot. Disable non-Microsoft services and startup items, then reboot and test Alt plus Tab. If the problem clears, re-enable groups of services to pinpoint the culprit. For persistent issues, do a clean graphics driver reinstall using the vendor's Clean Install option or display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode, and consider creating a system restore point beforehand. If nothing helps, create a new user account. This quick test reveals whether the freeze is tied to your profile settings rather than system-wide faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.